In this video, we're going to go over who this course is for. So we're going to go over the most ideal type of individual that is going to be able to benefit the most from taking this course. So let's go ahead and jump into who this course is for. So this course here is for those who already have some experience with Python. So this is a big thing here because if you don't have previous experience with Python, then you're going to have a little bit of trouble. And we're going to walk through a little bit of a Python introduction to this course. In this course, however, you're still going to need to have a little bit of a basic understanding for you to be able to benefit the most. So we're going to have somewhat of a crash course on Python. However, for the most part, this course is for those that already have some sort of Python experience. And so if you don't have any prior experience with Python or you want to get a better understanding of Python, then we have a course for Python that you can go ahead and take and be able to learn a lot of the fundamentals, a lot of the different things that you need to be aware of for you to be able to maximize your learning and your benefiting and to benefit the most from this course. So just like I mentioned, this is for those who have some experience with Python. And also, like I mentioned, we're going to go over some of the basics in Python as far as defining different functions, assigning variables, calling methods of objects, and then controlling the flow of a program. So we're going to walk through some of the basics in this course here. But like I said, you want to make sure that you have at least a basic fundamental understanding. And if you want to be able to dig a little deeper and really refine your skills or really get into Python a little bit deeper, then I suggest you go over and take the Python course that we have as well. And so then this course is also for those that want to be able to use Python with the intent to use it for data intensive and computational science. So ultimately what this means is really about getting those individuals that are interested in wanting to use Python for data analysis, right? So we're going to be going over a lot of the different Python stacks for data science, and that's going to include the various libraries such as IPython, NumPy, pandas, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, and other related tools as well to be able to store, manipulate, and gain insights from data. So this is who this course is for, and I'm excited for you to get started and look forward to seeing you on the inside. So that's going to be it here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.